Hello my friends! Tonight is the Bonfire night and everyone is rushing to Wickstead Park to see the show. It will be absolutely spectacular. The Wicker Man will burn in flames. It will be quite a sight to remember. As you can see, the place is fully packed with people and there is a theme park going on. There's the local band playing your all-time favorite covers. And that's the giant Wicker Man which will be set on fire. And after that we'll see amazing fireworks. Okay people, spread love and make way. I'm trying to squeeze through. Oh yeah, scream as much as you want, you paid for it.
It is such a wild ride. Has somebody lost the bra? Oh, hang on, it's just a bag.
Stay calm.
No one is flashing boobs.
Yet.
Looks like Joker is not the only one who's having fun around here.
Well, in a places like this you can always buy yourself a unicorn that looks like a donkey.
Mickey Mouse ride. I think I'm too old for that.
Holy cow, razzle dazzle. This stuff should have epilepsy warning on it. It's all about family fun. No doubt it's a great place for kids. But now here comes the time for the real show. Let's see some fire. Crap, not with this lighter. Okay, there he comes, the guy with the torch. He's going to light him up. Hello my friends, wasn't that just wonderful? I hope you like it as much as I do. Quick intermission. As you can see, the flames have subsided now and the Wicker Man has been turned into ashes. But the scene looks really enchanting with all the colors and smoke in the air. The firework show will continue. So if you enjoyed it and want some more, then stay on and watch the rest of it.